Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi viewers, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain the main difference between present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. So let's get started. Present continuous tense versus present indefinite tense or present simple tense. Okay, the former is always used to talk about daily or routine habits, actions, and activities. The former means that we always use present indefinite tense or simple present tense to talk about daily or routine actions, activities, and habits. It is used for those actions and activities which we always do on a regular basis, or which we always do, or which we do on our regular basis. So we have some examples for your understanding. The first sentence is, she always respects me. In this case, we use present indefinite tense or simple present tense because it's the activity or the action that she always does. So that is why this sentence can be made in present indefinite tense. Okay, so it is the daily action or the daily habit, or you can say it's the daily activity or habit that she does. So that is why we use present indefinite tense to talk about those actions. We have the second example of sentence, you never tell a lie. So you never tell a lie, it means that you never tell a lie. It means that it is the action, or it is the task, or it is the word that you always do, okay? Not telling a lie in this case. So that is why they are always used to talk about, when we want to talk about daily activities and habits. So it can also be used to talk about universal facts, about actions, activities, habits. So that's why it's the main difference between present continuous tense and present indefinite tense. We have the one prominent or the another prominent reason or the another prominent thing about present indefinite tense, which is base form or first form of verb is always used in simple present tense. Okay, we always use the base form of verb or the first form in present indefinite tense. We don't use the present participle form of verb or the base form with ing. We just use the base form of verb or the first form of verb in case of present simple tense or in case of present indefinite tense. The latter is used for those actions which are going on or in progress and haven't been completed. So it means the latter in this case means present continuous tense. Remember that present continuous tense can also be called present progressive tense. So present progressive or present continuous tense is always used for those actions and activities which are going on or which have not been completed until now. Okay, so we use present continuous tense to talk about those actions which are going on or which are in progress and haven't been completed. So it's the main difference between present continuous tense and present indefinite tense. Let's take some examples of present continuous tense so that to make it more understandable. The first example or the first sentence is, we are taking tea. So we are taking tea, it is actually the sentence in present continuous tense or in present progressive tense. Okay, so in this structure and this type of sentence, we are referring or we are talking about an action or activity which hasn't been completed, which is incomplete, okay, which is actually going on, which is in progress. While present indefinite tense refers to those actions or activities which we do on our daily or which we do on our regular basis. So it was the main difference between present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. You know, the second example that is here, they are eating the meal, they are eating the food. Or you can also use the other words. So in this case, the action that they are eating. So they are eating, actually they are eating the meal. So it means that they haven't eaten the meal. They haven't eaten the food because they are doing the action right now. The action is going on. The action hasn't been completed. So that's why we always use present continuous tense or present progressive tense to talk about those actions which are going on, which are incomplete, or which haven't been completed. The third example, I am doing my work. So I am doing my work means that I am doing my work. It can also mean, or it can also be used to mean that I haven't done my work or I haven't completed my work. Why? Because the action is still going on. The action is still incomplete. So once again, I want to emphasize that present continuous tense or present progressive tense is used for those actions which are going on. And another reason or the second reason or prominent reason of the main difference between present indefinite tense and present continuous tense or present progressive tense is that we always use the present participle form of verb or the base form with ing. We use the present participle form or the base form with ing. Okay, we can also call it the first form with ing and the present form with ing. We use the present participle form of verb. Present participle form of verb is that form of verb when we add ing to the base form or to the present form of verb, it becomes present participle. So we always use present participle form of verb or the base form of verb in case of if we have present continuous tense, while we use first form of verb in present indefinite tense. So it was the main difference between present continuous tense, its usage, the main difference between the usage of present indefinite tense and the usage of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Once again, I would like to tell you people that we do need your support and motivation. So keep watching my videos. Thanks.